Good morning, everyone. Hare Krishna. Our friend Meghana is also here. So today in this video, we're gonna show how to commute to ISKCON Tagik Temple because soon we're gonna leave and until now we have brought so many of our friends to show the route, how to commute there in public transportation. So yeah, I just thought if we make a video, it would be more helpful for all of you to know the details, and also we're gonna show you how to go right there. Right now we are at 7-Eleven Ocampo, as all the students know this place very well. So yeah, we just need to cross the road to ride the jeepney or bus, okay? Stay tuned. So we are on the opposite of the road. We can ride the jeepneys, Alabang Star Mall. Even we can ride that small mini white bus also because it also has a signboard Alabang Star Mall. So that is our final destination, so we can ride that also. It's got later, guys. The car looks so we finally get the jeepney. Yeah, looks so అప్పుడప్పుడు తెలుగుని మేనేజ్ చేసుకోండి, అడ్జస్ట్ చేసుకోండి. We are spreading Telugu also all over the world.
Because Telugu is our మాతృభాష, right? ఎక్కడికి వచ్చినా తెలుగుని మర్చిపోకూడదు అన్నమాట.
So yeah, just now we got to know Meghana wished me happy friendship day. It's friendship day. So yeah, Meghana happy friendship day. Happy friendship day to each and everyone, all the followers.
Yeah.
May Krishna bless you all.
Yeah.
Even our friendship was the main key role, like
What do you call? Through Krishna consciousness we got friends.
Our friendship is based on our Krishna consciousness. Krishna binded us together. Yeah, I'm happy to have Meghana as one of my friends who is
Same
part
to you,
of
Tripura
my
also.
spiritual journey.
The same in Tripura Mataji also.
Thank you, Meghanandana Mataji. Yeah, we are going to Alabang Star Mall. Haribol. So we just got on from the jeepney. I hope you remember this place. It's Star Mall opposite the Vitex. So that is Vitex. We just need to cross the road and go to the Vitex bus terminal. So this is Vitex. It is so similar to the Indian bus stand. So yeah, we'll show you which bus to ride here. So this is Cubao bus. You can ride this Cubao bus. Happy friendship day, Meghana. Friendship day. Generally, my breakfast I am చేసుకోము, but for a change today we have some prasadam with us. Carbonara, cheese pasta. So earlier the jeepney which we have ride from Ocampo, Las Piñas to Alabang Star Mall, it costs 15 pesos. So we'll also give you the details of the budget also. So yeah, you will be bringing the enough cash with you for the transport. So this is the cheapest way. You cannot find more cheapest than this. Maybe if Krishna is willing, maybe he will show you one more route. But this is what we have figured out by the mercy of Krishna. So yeah, 15 pesos the jeepney ride, and then now the bus they're gonna charge us 40 pesos to BCDA stop. Okay, BCDA. It's the inverse of ABCD or something like that. BCDA stop in Taguig. Okay, so yeah, it's better to bring your student ID cards because sometimes in some buses the conductors would be asking you to show your student ID card because this is student fare 40 pesos. If it is a regular, then it is 50 pesos. Yeah. Most of you remember we used to have these kind of tickets in India back nearly 10 years or something around that, because at that time I used to see they used to tear the tickets and give us, not the electronic like hand one the count and give the tickets 30, 10 and all. Yeah. Adurani flight. Soon we're gonna fly also to India. So, Varsham Padtundi guys. It's raining. చూడండి రోడ్లన్నీ తడిగా ఉన్నాయి. The bus will stop and yeah, we have to get down at this flyover. It's BCDA. I'll show you. So we need to get down here or else there will be no stop because this is no stop zone. The flyover, we just need to cross the road. So we have been waiting for so long for the tricycle, but there were no tricycles available. But yeah, maybe it's because it's raining or there are more passengers. I don't know. You can wait. You can take tricycle and walk to go to the temple. But now maybe Krishna wants me to show the walking path. That's why I'm walking with Meghana. There is Petron in the left side. We just need to walk straight into this community. It is PDS village community. Walk straight. You can see the parking. You just need to walk straight until the dead end. Today it feels so long. And I'm telling to Meghana, why is it feeling like walking to some another planet? And then Meghana said, yeah, really we are going to another planet. Then we realized that yes, we are going to spiritual world now. On this earth there is a spiritual place because ISKCON temples are considered as the doors for the spiritual world, right? So yeah, Radha Krishna is worshipped, the eternal couple. So yeah, we are going there. See, now we reach the dead end and then we have to take left. You can see there is a security gate also over there. So take left, then you can see the temple Gopuram. I'll show you when we are at the end of that place also. I think you can see Darshan Chakra. Offer your pranam prayer to Sudarshana. Let's cross the road. Meghana. This is the temple. We are finally in the temple.